Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on WAXP. As in my previous videos of WAXP, I've been showing you that first it broke out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that it was about to break another quite long-term down trend line resistance. That was in fact the resistance of another falling wedge pattern, and this was one of my old videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that on this weekly time frame chart, finally we have broken out this next falling wedge pattern as well. And this time you can see that we are watching a very, very huge development that is happening on the 7 days time frame chart that Wax coin is finally breaking out this quite long-term resistance of 10 cents that has been previously breaking at the resistance here, and for the past several weeks, again, it was breaking at the resistance, and now we are breaking it out. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you another formation of another rising wedge pattern. You can see that we have found this uptrend line resistance here. We got stable ejections here, and two more ejections here, one more ejection here, stable ejections here, and now the price line is also trying to break out this resistance. And this is the support of this newly formed rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also watch this move as well. And I would also like to show you this huge development because it has broken out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And after the breakout, the price then retested the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support and geared up. And we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Sun, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 4th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of WAXP, and this is the weekly time frame chart that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. First, I was showing you this falling wedge pattern, and when it was quite squeezed inside this wedge, in those days, I've been telling you that soon we may expect a breakout from this falling wedge pattern because the movement is now quite squeezed, and you can see that we have broken out the resistance of the wedge here, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 10 cents. And after the rejection, the price end again dropped down, and during this move to the downside, the price end also formed another falling wedge pattern. You can see that this was the support that we found here when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. And here we got rejection, we had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce here, and finally we have broken our resistance of this next falling wedge pattern as well. And so far from this low to current high, it has rallied more than 207%. And right now we are trying to break out this 10 cents resistance. And at the same time, we are also trying to break out another quite long-term falling wedge pattern as well. Two resistance levels the price and is trying to break out. By the way, this rising wedge pattern resistance is slightly higher than the resistance of this 10 cents. However, we have also broken out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that now it is also breaking as a very nice support after the rejection from this resistance of the wedge here and this resistance of 10 cents the price and move down, retested the previous resistance of wedge, not the wedge, the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And now it is again geared up and trying to break out this resistance. And therefore, I'm expecting that it can soon break out these two resistance levels. And now if we take a look at the targets, then the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge at 10 cents. And we have almost achieved that target. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that target is here. That is approximately at 22 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.